Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Today I wanted to show my face because I don't show my face often enough, I think. So I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to hold your stocks in bad times, and also show you guys basically what I do to research. What I do to research is I look around, I look at these companies and see what I actually buy, what I'm actually consuming, what other people are actually consuming, and even just driving down the street, looking at a company, seeing that it's a big business, and asking yourself, are they publicly traded? So that's what we're gonna do in my room today. You guys already got the room tour, but this is kind of the room tour as far as what actually do I own within my room, like what products do I own. So I think this should be an interesting video, a little short video that help you hold through hard times when you realize that like all the products that you actually have within your room and which companies provide those products. So anyways, yeah, I have gotten some comments that says that you aren't black. I don't know if they meant like you physically are not black, like black of skin because you don't show your face. Maybe they haven't looked at my profile picture, or if they meant like
you ain't black.
But anyways, today we're going to be looking through my room and seeing if we can find any companies to buy that are public on the stock market exchange. So might as well start right over here with my microwave here. So if you can see that there, that says Whirlpool. All right, Whirlpool is on the stock market exchange. All right, up here, guys, I'm immature. All right, if I see two apples or a pear and an apple and I have a banana, it's going down. All right, over here we got Smuckers. Okay, can you guys see that? Smuckers, that's actually publicly traded. Up here we got some bars right here. We see that. Kellogg is actually publicly traded. I looked at the stock and it actually just kind of sucks. Got some foot spray there. It's by Bayer there. I'm not sure if Bayer is a publicly traded company. Okay, Bayer is traded from Germany. It's the 16th German company to list on the NYSE. All right, then we got some Neutrogena Breakout sunscreen. Let's check that out. All right, so I'm not sure if you guys can see that there. It says Neutrogena's parent company is Johnson & Johnson. There it is, ladies and gentlemen, Johnson & Johnson. But I do this sometimes. Sometimes when I'm driving down the street, I'll just find companies that SC Johnson, that one's not publicly traded. We can see that there. I just find companies, and this is kind of how I find it. Things that I like to actually consume. I will look for the brand name and see if it's publicly traded. SC Johnson again with the off. Dawn, how about Dawn right here? All right, this one is publicly traded, Procter & Gamble. Another household name, Comet. You got some Comet here. Home Care Labs Inc. So it says they're Kick Customs Productions. Let's see if they're publicly traded. Ayo, the account's up big today, 2.36%. TCCF bouncing back big. Let's look up Kick Customs though. Kick Customs, it says it's publicly traded, but I can't find the ticker symbol for whatever reason. Yeah, I think it's a private company. I don't know, I can't find it. All right, Ziploc. Everybody knows about Ziploc. SC Johnson & Co. Okay, SC Johnson, I don't think they are publicly traded. Let's check it out though. No, SC Johnson is a privately traded, is a private company. What else we got here? We got the Nikes, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously we know Nike is a publicly traded company. I got the Nike boots, I got the Nike shoes over there. Got the Listerine in the back. We already talked about that one. This one is Johnson & Johnson actually. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Dove deodorant. That is from Unilever. There it is down there. Life hack, ladies and gentlemen. If you're ever around someone who stinks, what you can do is you can say something like this, something smooth like, I'm getting kind of bored, man. We should go put on some deodorant. Other sticky deodorant, we got the Wolf Thorn, ladies and gentlemen. Old Spice. It looks like, I see oldspice.com. I think, oh, nope, there it is. Procter & Gamble. If we can get it to focus. There it is, Procter & Gamble. So I thought it was a standalone company, but it's actually P&G right there. I've got a lot of Procter & Gamble in my house. We got the Crest toothpaste, Procter & Gamble. Moving into the shower, ladies and gentlemen, we got the Head & Shoulders, part of the Procter & Gamble brand. We got some Echo in here. We got the St. Ives Fresh Skin. I love this product, but I need to get a more sustainable product. I will admit that. Unilever. This is one that my boy over there, PPC Ian, he swears by this company, and I've been using their product. We got the cleaner. I actually inherited this from somebody who left, and we see that this is from Colgate Palmolive, ticker symbol CL. And I guess I'm gonna kind of close out the video there, because basically what I wanted to get across with this is that when you buy companies that actually make money, actually make products, you look around your room and you see all of the products in your room. You see that you buy them every single day. And whenever a bear market hits, you just want to buy more, because you know that these products, people are going to continue to consume them. So anyways, hopefully you guys got some value out of this video. I actually am black, and I'll see you guys in the next video.